Justin Lobato here inside of the Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here to showcase the Pinnacle Signature Series II Carnauba Paste Wax. Now, this paste wax is in a category of its own. Unlike others, this is a pure Brazilian ivory wax that has a complex blend of polymers and oils that give it an unmatched level of gloss, enhancement to the paint, and of course, reflection as well. That gives it that deep, wet look that you could jump into. Now, the original series of the Pinnacle Series Carnauba wax, we were able to basically go back to the drawing board with that and have this crystalline polymer that we were able to introduce to it that really just put this wax on steroids in regards to its look and its finish of what it can create for a vehicle's finish overall. That way you're able to grab a deep gloss finish unlike no other with, of course, this Pinnacle Series II version. So with that, this is something that gets great value because you have an 8-ounce jar where you could basically get up to 25 plus applications, or you could do multi-layer based on where you want to be with gloss and of course protection. Simple and easy application. You could either use a foam applicator, which they provided in the kit, or you could apply it by machine. By doing that by machine, you're gonna wanna be able to basically release the wax out of the jar, of course wearing a rubber glove or having a sandwich baggie over your hand, and then you'll be able to rub the actual paste wax onto the foam pad and then apply by machine at a low setting. That will evenly disperse the actual wax across the surface of the vehicle, and that way you get a nice thin layer. And then of course, once it comes to a haze, you could take a nice plush microfiber towel to remove the wax. Now, the great thing about this wax and it being a blend, it allows you to get 2 to 3 months worth of protection out of this single layer of wax. Now, if you like to get multiple layers, that's where you're gonna really truly enhance the gloss of that application from the Signature Series II Carnauba Paste Wax. So if you're looking for a premium paste wax that will exceed your expectations, then you're gonna wanna get your hands on the Pinnacle Signature Series II Carnauba Paste Wax. That way you get a deeper, glossier finish with just a traditional wax for all types of paint colors, bringing out their full potential. For more information about Pinnacle products or the Pinnacle Signature Series II Carnauba Paste Wax, visit autogeek.com.